Now we're going to take the external cover off of this PC. Some PCs will have an entire cover that needs to be taken off. You'll have screws here and here. On this particular system, we only have 2 screws, and this side panel can slide off once the screws are removed. You'll want to set the screws aside in a safe place. And slide the cover off and set it aside. Now that we've removed the cover, we'll tip the computer on its side so we can have access to the inside. Be careful to set the system down gently.